Hello everyone, this is Sidonia from sidoniasbeads.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make ear wires. This is a first part of a two-part tutorial, and in the second part I'm going to show you how to make this earring. And you will need two sizes of 11/0 Miyuki seed beads, and the ear wire I'm going to show you how to make right now. So what you will need is a piece of wire, okay, 20 gauge artistic wire works perfectly. Then a measuring tape or a ruler, flat nose pliers, wire cutters, multi size looping pliers. So you need to cut a piece of 5 centimeters wire. Okay. Oh, I forgot the sandpaper. Yes, you need also a little bit of sandpaper to file the ends of the wire you're going to make your ear wires with. Okay, then place your wire like this, leaving a tip out here. You just have to feel it with your finger. Okay, then bend this over like this until you close the loop here. See? Then you will need to bend this backwards until you have a straight line like this. See? And then I'm going to bend it. See how is the loop, the shape of the loop, and I'm placing here the pliers and then bending all around the jaw. Okay, so this is what I have now. I'm going to slowly open it and finish it up like this. This is it, and this works quite well. You don't need to make two of them at once, because all you need to be aware of, to be careful of, is having an exactly a 5 centimeters piece of wire. Okay, so the wires need to be of the exact same length to achieve an exactly matching pair of ear wires. Okay, straighten it up if it's not straight enough. Then place your wire like this, leaving this tip like you did before. Then bend this over until you close the loop. Okay, then backwards until you have this straight line. Then place just like this, you know, the pliers, and bend all around. Okay, now open slowly. and okay, this is it. And you have two matching ear wires. Okay, so I hope you like these ear wires. I like them because they're very simple and go very well with any kind of and any shape of earrings. So remember for the next video to prepare 2 sizes of 11/0 Miyuki round seed beads. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I will see you next time with the next video. Bye bye.